Hi, this is George from Preston Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi.
Here we have this absolutely sublime Audi A5 Cabriolet in Edition 1 specification with the powerful 45 TFSI 265 PS engine, famous quattro four-wheel drive system and slick automatic S-tronic gearbox. And this A5 comes finished in a gorgeous optional metallic Navarra blue paint finish. This approved used Audi is a 22 plate, which has had just one previous owner and only done 344 miles, and the powerful 45 TFSI engine that I mentioned before allows this A5 to go from 0 to 60 in just 6 seconds flat. Some of the key exterior features of this A5 include the striking matrix LED headlights, the gorgeous honeycomb style radiator grille, as well as the 20-inch 5 twin-spoke polygon design alloy wheels. And of course, the main feature of this A5 is the folding roof, which is really easy to do with just a press of a button in the centre console, and it can be done at up to speeds of 30 miles per hour, and it takes just 20 seconds with little to no effort. Finally, there's the eye-catching dynamic rear indicators, and the boot easily opens with just a press of a button on your keys. And as you can see, for a Cabriolet, it's a relatively large and spacious boot, with 370 litres of capacity, plenty of space for day-to-day needs, such as popping to the shops for example. And here we have the rear interior of the car, with the rear seats finished in the gorgeous black fine nappa leather, and these seats feature ISOFIX child seat mounting points, whilst there's the rear zone of the 3-zone climate control as well. And here we have the even more impressive front interior, with the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, which is flat bottomed and finished in black perforated leather, alongside the piano black inlays, which help to really refine the look of this interior. And there's the front sport seats, finished in the same gorgeous black fine nappa leather as the rear, and these seats are electrically adjustable with 4-way lumbar support. And one of the key interior features of this A5 is the Audi virtual cockpit display, where you can access useful displays such as a satellite navigation of an onboard computer right ahead of you. Complementing that is the 10.1-inch high-resolution touchscreen display, where you can access all the usual features you'd expect in a car of this calibre, including the satellite navigation, the DAB digital radio, external media connectivity and telephone connectivity as well, whilst there's the Audi smartphone interface, so you can connect your phone via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto wirelessly, and there's the Audi Drive Select menu, so you can choose your favourite driving profile. And with just the press of a button, the rear view parking camera and front and rear sensors come up on demand. This interior also boasts easy to use 3-zone climate control as well as heated front seats, and in the centre console there's a USB port, a couple of cup holders, the slick S-tronic gear shifter, and underneath a central armrest there is plenty of storage as well.
This approved used Audi comes with a minimum 1 year's warranty and minimum 1 year's roadside assistance, and for more information or to book a test drive, please inquire online or call us on 01772 911 340.